Running communication cables alongside power cables, a cautious approach. Safety first and foremost. Running communication cables near power cables is a common practice, but it demands careful attention to safety. Adhering to electrical safety codes is paramount to prevent electrical shocks or fires. Always prioritize safety during installation and maintenance. Data integrity at stake. While safety is crucial, maintaining the quality of data transmission is equally important. Power cables can interfere with data signals, causing disruptions. Understanding and mitigating electromagnetic interference (EMI) is key to ensuring smooth data flow. Distance is your friend. To minimize EMI and protect data integrity, maintaining a safe distance between power and communication cables is essential. A general guideline is to keep at least 8 inches of separation between non-shielded Ethernet cables and power cables. Shielding for protection. Shielded Ethernet cables offer an added layer of protection against EMI. If running cables close to power lines is unavoidable, opting for shielded cables can significantly reduce interference. Conduit for added safety. In situations where maintaining distance is challenging, running Ethernet cables through a metal conduit can provide an extra shield against EMI. This method is particularly useful in industrial or commercial settings with dense cable installations. Regular checks are essential. To ensure optimal network performance, it's crucial to monitor the network regularly for any signs of interference. Speed fluctuations or data loss could indicate EMI issues. Invest in quality cables. High-quality Ethernet cables are designed to minimize interference. Choosing reliable cables can contribute to a more stable and efficient network. Compliance is key. Always adhere to industry standards and manufacturer guidelines when running communication cables alongside power cables. Following these recommendations helps ensure safety and optimal performance. Professional help when needed. If you are unsure about the best practices or encounter complex installations, consulting a professional electrician or network technician is advisable. Their expertise can prevent potential issues and ensure a safe and reliable network. Conclusion. Running communication cables near power cables requires careful planning and execution. By prioritizing safety, understanding EMI, and following best practices, you can create a network that is both safe and efficient. Remember, prevention is always better than cure, so invest time in proper installation and maintenance. Disclaimer: this blog provides general information and should not be considered professional advice. Always consult with qualified professionals for specific guidance on your network installation.